A works cited page is a page that lists all of the sources, so the videos and articles that you used in a project or a piece of writing. Your goal today, your target, is to create a works cited page for your competitive sports argument essay. So what that basically means is anything that you used as evidence in your competitive sports argument essay, wherever you got that evidence, you need to have it listed on a page at the end of your essay saying, here's where my information came from. We're going to do that through EasyBib. So the first thing that you need to do is go to your email, and I sent you an email titled Save This, Use for Mrs. Swerk's class on Thursday. Click on that document, and when you open it, you're going to see a bunch of different links. These 4 at the top are ones that we did in either our language arts class or our flex class. These ones down below are ones that you may have done on your own as homework. So you need this email open, and then you're going to go to www.easybib.com. When you get there, you're going to click Login, and you're going to sign in with Google. So you'll type in your normal school email, whatever your password is, and then you're going to click on New Project. Call your project Argument Essay. If you want to choose a subject, you can. There isn't one called Language Arts, so I'm going to call it English. And then you're just going to click Create. There you go. It pops right up. You see that I was working on practicing one before. So click on your argument essay. You're going to click on Bibliography. And then a screen will pop up that looks like this. What you're going to do is go back to that email, and let's say in my paper, I referenced the article Listening to Wisdom from a 10-Year-Old Son About His Head Injury. I talked about how his son fell asleep on the sidelines after a head injury. Since that information came right from this article, I need to say, hey, I used this article. So I'm going to copy that link. I'm going to go back to EasyBib and paste it in there, and then click the button that says Cite It. This is going to gather the author's name for me, the date it was published, where it came from, and there it is. The New York Times, Adam Buckley Cohen. There's the website. So I'm going to click Cite This. And then I go ahead and just continue. I'm going to check and make sure that it has all the information. Where it came from, the article title, who published it, the date it was published, the author. I can continue to the final step. Now, if it's missing any information, if it needs more information from you, these spots right here are going to be highlighted in orange. If you know the information, you can add it in yourself. Otherwise, you just keep clicking Create Citation, and there it is. Hooray! Here's your new citation. Now, I use more than just this particular source or this article. So when I'm ready to add another one, I go back to the top here and I click Cite It. So let's try another one. I'll try sports. How much is too much? That was the news article, excuse me, the news clip that we had watched where they interviewed the dad who was a pro baseball player, his son, and also the coach. I'm going to click Copy. Paste it in, hit Cite It, says we're gathering information for you now, and it only has the YouTube link and where it came from. So I'm going to click Cite It. Continue to the final step. And here's what I was talking about. It needs some other information. So if I know the author's name, I'm going to put it in here. This wasn't one particular author, so I'm just going to go ahead and pass that up and click Create Citation. And there we go. We have another citation. If you scroll down to the bottom, here are the two that I've created so far. If you used the article Get Off That Couch and Play, it wasn't on a website, it was something that we gave you in class, so I cited it for you right here. At the end, you can just copy this entire thing and paste it into your Google document at the end. So let's say that you're all ready to be done and create this. What you are going to do is click Export, Save to Google Docs, and it'll tell me that it was able to upload the document to Google Docs. And I'm going to go to my Google Docs and check that it's there. There it is. Easy Bib Bibliography 110. Now I want this, I can either print this and staple it to my paper, or if I wanted, I could copy the entire thing, go to my argument essay, and then just paste it on the end. So if this was my argument essay, right at the bottom of it, I just copy and paste, and there it is, attached to the bottom of my argument essay. Okay, so again, this is what you guys need to do as homework on Thursday night. You need to open up the email from me. You need to go to easybib.com. When you are done, hit export to Google. It will open up a page that looks like this, and you can copy and paste it to the end of your argument essay. If you chose to write it, if you're handwriting your essay, you can just print this page to the Gold Lab. That's fine.